Hello guys, Mr. Banks here. Let me walk you through how I was able to take this high reward good trade, unlocking 166 ratio reward using liquidity sweeps and free value gap.
Hello guys, so this is how I was able to catch a 1 reward entry from good. So basically I combined a DXY with concept and with my fair value gap entry to actually catch this very entry here. That it was I marked my previous day high and marked my previous day low. It was to take a look at the DXY. Because the DXY has been in a bearish trend, a massive drop to the downside, a pull back into this fair value gap, and right now we are actually targeting this external liquidity. But price travels from internal range liquidity and external range liquidity. So price pull back into this internal range liquidity. Right now, what we are doing is we are actually targeting this external range liquidity in right below here. So me knowing that DXY is very bearish, and I need to be very bullish. And on good was after identifying DXY bearishness, good, I was actually hoping price would actually sweep this sell side liquidity so that we can take our entry and target this buy side liquidity. And good on a daily time frame, looking at this very chart here, we can also have a very strong fair value gap sitting right below this lows. I was basically expecting price to come all the way down, sweep this previous day low, tap into this daily fair value gap, and we can target this just high here, this is the buy side liquidity. I think was to down to the lower time frame to see which of these zones get. So we actually have our previous day low here, and this whole range here is for our daily. So price actually played within this range during the Asian session, and price finally swept liquidity below the previous day low. It actually had price sweep below this previous day low here. What am I looking for? I'm actually anticipating that price should give me my entry confirmation here that I will target this high as my liquidity external range liquidity. But price has already swept this USD low here and tap into this internal range liquidity here, which is the daily fair value gap. So we actually price to put all the way up, targeting this external range liquidity. What I did was basically switch all the way down to 5 minute time frame to look for my entry. So on the 5 minute time frame, I had to look below this range to see what is actually happening here. And looking at this previous day low here, I could clearly see this nice order block here. This 5 minute order block sitting inside our daily fair value gap. And this order block here also has what? Nice fair value gap resting just above it. So this was a in point for me to actually pick my entry from. So I need to rather extend this level here all the way to the right side. Also, my fair value gap here resting right below the previous day low here. What I did was this was during the Asian session, and I don't normally do the Asian session. I waited, see price give me more confirmation. So price was just playing around during the Asian session and actually gave a couple of confirmations. Actually saw this big of a here, and price actually left another order block sitting right below here with a very nice fair value gap resting right above the order block. What I did was I knew price would definitely come all the way down to create this order block. And we can actually target our external range liquidity. This is basically my entry during the Asian session. But as you know, I don't trade the Asian session. I was actually waiting for the landing open, which was exactly at 6 p.m. Ghana time here. That's basically when I put my landing session open. But I woke up around 5:30 thereabout, and I saw price giving all this kind of movement here. And I waited until it was finally 6 a.m. It's 6 a.m. That was when I saw this massive push to the upside. That was 5:55. Saw this massive push to the upside, giving me what another confirmation after price actually tapped into this order block here. After price has mitigated our internal range liquidity, swept the previous day low and giving us what a market structure shift here. Price then came back to tap into what order block. Exactly where I wanted to pick my entry from. But what do I look for? Yeah, I want to see price breaking above this structure here, giving me what another order flow realignment here. So this was basically where I had my confirmation during the landing session. And I also had to identify my fair value gap. That's the most important thing for me to always look at the time frame. If price has actually painted a nice fair value gap, then I'll pick my entry from the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. And if you want to know more about fair value gap, you can watch my next video. I'll leave the link in the description. Then you understand more about fair value gap. So I need to have to pick my entry, consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. That's 50% of this fair value gap. Set my stop loss just right below here and target what our external range liquidity. That's the previous day high. So this was basically how this entry was. And this was a nice 1:6.4. Price actually moved massively from my entry and pushed probably hitting my big profit. So this is basically how I was able to combine DXY, that's the dollar strength index, confluence with the wood, and also combine with liquidity sweep, fair value that will also pick what nice entry.